Peer, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts from the previous class?
No, sir.
No. Okay, anyone? Any doubts from the previous class? No. Okay. We were trying to convert any number into a plus b form, right? In the last class, a plus ib, something like that, right? So let's start with the question. Convert this into a plus ib form. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes.
Sir, we can't hear you. It's so different. Your sound is very different.
If you are not audible, please use the chat option. There is a lot of disturbances you have.
Sir, you're not.
I'm not able to hear you again. I'm sorry, I don't know why I was disconnected. Okay, am I audible, everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, Akash. Akash, don't worry. I'll explain in this class, okay, how to solve. All right. You guys solve this?
Yes, sir.
All right. See, Akash, to give you a quick review, okay, Peer will give us a quick review. Peer, what is this called?
Yes, sir.
What is this called?
Iota.
Iota. And what is it about? What is this iota? What can you say about this iota? Peer, what do you know about this iota? Tell me whatever you know.
Sir,
Why so much
Sir,
fumble?
is it like finding the...
No, no, not anything I said. Whatever you understood in the last class, whatever is that keeps on your mind, keeps coming on your mind. Whatever you can think about. Okay, so I don't think you revised whatever you
Sir,
learned
I
in the
don't
last.
really know what does that mean properly.
Okay, Atisha will tell us. Atisha, what is this? Iota, right?
Yes, sir.
And what do you know about iota?
Sir, iota, it's an imaginary unit, and the value is minus root of -1.
Imaginary unit. The value is under root -1.
-1.
Right? Okay. Akash, are we clear now? This is imaginary unit. The value is under root -1. This is known as iota. All right. And what else, Atisha? The value of I square is
-1. Sir.
-1.
-1. Absolutely right. The value of I cube is
-I.
-I. The value of I raised to the power 4 is
1.
1. Okay. Please write this down, Akash.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what we know as iota. All right. This is the most basic unit of any imaginary number. All right. Now again, Atisha will tell us this. Under root 4 is, Atisha?
2, sir.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. Akash, this is not -2. Under root 4 is 2, not -2. All right. Now under root -4 is, Atisha?
It's 2i.
2i. Okay, Akash, whenever you have under root and negative of something, then the negative under root will be called I. All right.
Okay, sir.
After that, take root of whatever number left, right? If you have -16, Akash, tell me the answer.
Sir, I can't hear your audio correctly.
Okay, what is this? What is the answer of
Hello,
this
sir.
question? Under root -16. Hello, everyone can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akash, I think you have some issue. Akash, can you hear us? Oh, I think my internet is not stable.
It will be 4i.
Where is the
Are you with us? Oh,
sir? I'm not
speaking.
able to hear you.
Who is speaking? Use the chat option, please. I cannot hear you actually. Okay, my voice is breaking. All right, all right. Give me a
No,
moment,
sir.
right?
Your voice is clear.
Okay, my voice is clear. Very confusing. Okay, Atisha, do you have a stable internet?
Yes, sir. It's clear. Your voice is clear. It's breaking a bit. So the others, I guess, they cannot manage it.
All right. Am I audible now clearly?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's there. It's working, sir.
No, Arlene is saying no actually.
Sir, now you're audible. Before you were
Okay. All right, all right. Okay. Okay, who? Akash. Akash,
Sure.
am I audible now?
Yes, sir. It's fine, sir.
All right. So under root -16 is 4i. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tell me this, under root -25.
Sir, is it 5i? Is it,
Absolutely right.
is
5i.
it, sir, is it called I or is it called iota?
No, called I. All right, 5i.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Write that down also. Okay. Now see complex number. Okay. Who is going to tell us this? Alvia. Alvia, what is a complex number? Okay, Alvia wants to remain silent. Aline?
sir, whole number, integer, rational number, real number, and natural numbers.
Yeah, everything can be termed as complex number, but why is it called complex number? I told you, right? If you
Because
remember,
it includes all the things, all the numbers.
all these, right? Whenever you add a real number with a complex or imaginary number, okay, A and B are real numbers. Akash, you know what real numbers are, right? Everything
Yes, sir.
from minus infinite to infinite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you add a real number with an imaginary number, I is iota, and I, the symbol comes from imaginary. All right. Any number that is written with I is imaginary number. All right.
Okay, sir.
So if you add like this, some real number plus some imaginary number, this is called complex number. All right.
Yes, sir.
So any number can be written as this number, right? If you have 3, so this can be written as 3 plus 0i, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now the last thing, if we have 3 plus 4i, then this 3 is called a real part of z. Okay, z, we denote complex number as z. All right.
So
This
what
is
is it?
real
Z.
z. Okay.
Okay.
So this is real part of z. You can write this down also. Real part of z. And this 4 is called imaginary part of z. And written as imz. All right. Not imz, imz. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear? This, see, if they ask you what the imaginary part is, don't write 4i. This is just 4. All right.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Can you move, sir? I want to write it.
Okay, okay. Everyone else, please solve another question I'm giving you. I raised to the power 9 plus I raised to the power 19. A plus IB form. All right, try to solve this question.
Done, sir.
All right. So Akash, please tell me the answer of this. What is the real part of Z? What is the imaginary?
-3.
Minus 3. We'll write this as real part of Z is minus 3 and imaginary part of Z
-4.
minus 4. Absolutely right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now any number can be converted into this A plus IB. Always write a complex number in this form. Some number plus some number with I. All right. That was what we were trying to do. Okay. The first question I gave
Okay.
was 5i into minus 3 upon 5i, right? So how to solve this? This is simple multiplication. Everyone can say this and check your answers. This 5 and 5 is cancelled. So minus 3 into I square. And Peer just told us I square, the value of I square is, Akarsh?
So I didn't
You didn't
hear
write
that.
it?
Sir,
Oh.
it's -1.
Minus 1. Write it down. Very
Okay.
important. I raised to the power 1 is I raised to the power 2 is minus 1. I raised to the power 3 is
So the answer is 3, right?
yeah. The answer is 3 is here. I raised to the power 3
So is it minus I?
Minus I.
minus I. Yeah.
Okay.
I raised to the power 4 is
1.
1.
1. Okay. Yeah. So this is -1 minus is plus. So 3. The answer is 3. All right.
Yes, sir.
Anyone solve the second question I gave today? This one. Alin solved. Okay. Let's see. Pete, what about you?
Sir, solving, sir.
Solving. And Atisha? I don't see Atisha. Okay, Khalid didn't speak a word in the last class. Khalid, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you are able to solve this?
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Okay. Alvia also answered. Alin and Alvia has different answers. Let's see. Mazia? Do you have the answer? Kapir also answered. Yes, Mazia, you have to tell me the answer. Nope. Okay, let's see. Akash, look at this question very carefully, okay? This is called integral values of I. How to solve this kind of questions, all right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, first solve this. I raised to the power 9. How to solve this? First divide this number by 4. All right. Any number paired, just divide by 4. This is 4 to the 8. Remainder is 1. So I can write 9 as I raised to the power 4 into 2 plus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
And same way I can write 19 as I raised to the power 4 into 4 plus 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this I can also separate them 4 into 2 into I raised to the power 1 plus I raised to the power 4 into 4 into I raised to the power 3. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Now I can write this as I raised to the power 4 whole square into I, right?
So how did you separate 4 times 2 plus 1?
This is 9, right? 4 into 2 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
I said divided, right? This 4 to the 8. 9 can be written
Yeah,
as
no,
this
sir. The
into
next
this.
step. The next step.
Okay, next step. See, a raised to the power x plus y. This is a raised to the power x into a raised to the y.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay, okay.
This is right.
Okay, 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 sir.
Yeah. The next step is I raised to the power 4 to the power 2 because this is multiplication into I raised to the power 1 plus here I can write I raised to the power 4 to the power 4 into I cube. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we know that I raised to the power 4 is 1. So this is 1 square into I raised to the power 1 is I only. And this is also 1 into I cube is Akarsh
-1.
minus
Minus minus I.
minus I. So this is I minus I. So this is 0. So this is 0 plus 0 I. Everyone who had the right answers? Let's see. P. Where did you go wrong?
Yes, sir. Sir, I by mistakenly wrote I raised to 3 as 1.
Okay. And Alvia was right. Aline. Aline is also wrong here. Mazia, are you going to answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your answer or not?
Yes, sir. It is.
Okay, next time answer before me, all right? Use the chat option and tell me the answers. Akash, you are clear?
Yes, sir. So can I write it down? Can you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sir, it will be 1 plus 1 into minus I, 1 minus 1 minus I, right?
Yes, this is 1 into I. I raised to the 1 is I. 1 into I plus 1 into minus I.
Okay.
Okay. You can note this down. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see next question. I raised to the power minus 39. Try to solve this. And Akash, one thing remember, if you have 1 upon I, we try to solve this by multiplying I and I. So this is I upon I square, and I square is minus 1. So this is minus I. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now try to solve this. You have to find A plus IB form. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Oh, okay. Aline and Mazia has answered. Alvia, Atisha, Peer, Akash too. Try to answer this.
Actually, I wasn't there in the so can you say what to do during this question?
Sorry.
I wasn't there in this week, sir.
Yeah, see, this is the question, Atisha. I raised to the minus 39. You have to convert this into a plus ib form.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how to solve this. This first, let's put this minus like this. All right. Now to solve this, we can write this as 4 into 9 plus 3. Right? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So this can be written as I raised to the power 4 into 9 into I raised to the 3. So this is 1, and I cube is, Akash, what is I cube?
So minus I.
Minus I to the power minus 1. So this is 1 upon minus I. Now to simplify this, I can multiply minus I minus I. I know I can multiply I, but why not? So this is minus I upon minus I square, sorry, plus I square. So I square is minus 1 is plus, the answer is I, right? So 0 plus
Yes, sir.
I, the value of A is 0 and B is 1. All right, you can check your answers.
How equals I minus I plus I square, it will become I minus 1.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, Akash, you got 9. How? Is it 3 or
Sir,
9?
I didn't take 3 as the remainder. I just wrote 4 into 9 and then I raised to 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 4 into 9 also, that becomes 1, right? You shouldn't get 9.
I don't know how I got some.
Yeah, please
Sir,
check.
how
Okay,
A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1?
because it is just I, right? So
Yes.
I can add a 0 to it. So the real number becomes 0 and the B becomes 1 because this is 1 into I, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Aline, you also got minus I, right? So that's wrong.
So can you scroll up a little?
Yeah. What is Marja's answer? Okay, Mazia got this right. Nobody else. All right. Okay, note it down. All right, done.
Yes, sir.
All right. Another question. This is 1 minus I raised to the power 4. A plus IB form. All right, let's see. If I want to give you a hint, then this would be write this as square and square. Then solve. Correct? Let's see.
Sir, those two are two different questions, right?
No. Same question. This is the same. This is a hint. You can
Okay.
write this 4 as 2 raised to the power 2, right?
Okay.
You guys know this, right? A raised to the power B raised to the power C is A raised to the power B into C. Okay, this is what happens. All right. Okay. Atisha answered. Mazia, Alvia. This guy's answered. What about rest of them? Pete.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, I getting wrong. 0.
How do you know that is wrong?
Sir, because I still did not do the division. You know, that one, like, do divided by I into I by I.
All right, we'll see. Okay, you are getting 0. And Khalid hasn't answered. Akash. Are
So
you
I'm
answered?
not very clear with it, sir.
I'm not very clear. All right, let's see. See, first let's solve this. This is a minus b whole square, right? Right, I can read this a minus b whole square. So we know the formula 1 square plus I square minus 2 into 1 into I, and we have a whole square again. Clear? Is this step clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is 1
Sir, how -2 into 1 into I?
a minus b whole square. Please tell me what is the formula?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Same. Here a is 1, b is I. So 1 square plus, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 and I square is minus 1 minus 2I and whole square.
Okay.
So 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. So this is minus 2I whole square. So minus 2 square is 4. I square is minus 1. So this is minus 4. So minus 4 plus 0I. This is your answer.
Sir, I
Correct.
thought of I, so I did not substitute I square's value -1. I just kept it like that. So I multiplied, then I got I4. So I4 value is 1. I kept it like that. Then ending I got after that 2 plus 4I. So I thought just keep it. So A will be 2 and B will be 4.
No. See, this is like this, right? This is minus 2 square and I square. So you have to put the value of I square, all right?
So why we can keep it like this? Because we need the value of B also, right? So we can get it from there, right? 2 plus 4I. So 2 will be A and B will be 4.
No. How did you get to that? Again, can you repeat? Let's write the step.
You substitute the value of I square, right? There up side.
Yeah. So you are writing this 4I square. Now what to do?
No, sir, not there. There you substitute the value of I square up sir. The up step. Before the cancellation of 1 and -1.
Okay. You want to
I just kept the I
not,
square.
you just want to write it as I square.
Yeah, I square plus to minus 2I, I wrote like that. Then I multiplied the power. It will be I4, then plus 4I.
Okay. So you want to write this and this, then put then do whole square. A
Yeah.
plus B plus C whole square.
Yeah. Then I
Okay.
wrote
After
1
Mhm.
square plus I4
Mhm.
minus then bracket 2I square. Minus
No. See, this is A plus B plus C whole square. So you have to use the formula A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Do you remember the formula? Right? Because this is whole square, not this square plus this square. You have to use the formula, right? See, A plus B plus C whole square is not equals to A square plus B square plus C square. This is equals to this plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA.
Yes.
Remember?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you have to use this formula. All right. Okay. Note it down. All right, note it down.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. See, this a plus ib is called the standard form. All right, standard form of a complex number a plus ib. Whenever they give you a question, always try to find this form, something plus I times something. All right.
Yes, sir.
Never attempt any questions without doing this, no matter what the question says. All right, always try to find this a plus ib, this form. Nothing like this a plus ib upon c plus id. No, just a plus ib. All right, no division, nothing.
Yes.
Right, this can be like this a by c and b by d, no issues. But something plus I times something. All right, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try another question. This is 3 into 7 plus 7i plus I into 7 plus 7i. Standard form. All right, convert this into standard form. I'll give you 2 minutes.
Sir, it should be in the form of a plus ib.
Yeah, that is standard form. A plus ib is the standard form. All right. Okay, how to solve this? Aline and Mazia only answered. Just multiply. This is 21 plus 21i plus 7i
Plus 7i plus 7i square.
square, right? So this is 21 plus 21i plus I minus 7 because I square is minus 1. So this
Yes.
is 14 plus 21 and 7 is 28i. Clear? Yes, you can take common
Yes.
also, Mazia. No worries. How do you have equals to in your answer, Mazia? 10 plus 8i equals to 11? There is no equals
So
to here.
that's the next step.
Okay. Got it. Yes, you can take common. This is common. Okay. So you can take common another way. Method 2. Take this common. So you have 3i, 3 plus I, sorry. Again, you have to multiply. So the same thing. All right. You are not audible. All right. Clear? Everyone is clear about this? What I did?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I simply multiplied. All right.
Yes, the multiplication. Yes.
Okay. Note it down. All right. To this question, 1 minus I minus 1 plus 6i. Try to solve this. Okay. Standard form. All right. Let's see. 2 people have answered that. Very simple question. 1 minus I. Open this bracket. So plus 1 minus 6I. So this is 2 minus 7I. Simple 2-line question. Right? Everyone is right. Alvia,
Yes, sir.
Ali, Atisha, right? Akarsh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try a few more questions. Okay, give me 1 minute. All right, write this down. Question 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5I minus 4 plus 5 upon 2I. Okay, try to solve this standard form, convert this into standard form. All right. Okay, Aline has answered. The simple addition, right? Not very difficult. How to solve? Okay, Atisha also solved. Atisha, you don't have to convert this into decimals. All right, leave it in fractions. Yeah, how to solve? Open the brackets. 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5i minus 4 minus 5 upon 2i. This together and this together. So this is minus 19 upon 5, and this is 10, 4, and 25. So minus 21 upon 10. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Aline, you added wrong. That's not 29. That's 9 minus 21. Okay. Yeah, addition error. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Another question. Let's see how much clear. One upon 3 plus 7 upon 3i plus 4 upon 1 4 3i minus 4 by 3 plus I. Try to solve this. Okay, a plus ib form. Let's see. Okay, do you have the answers? Atisha answered only. Okay, different answers I see. How to solve very addition questions? This is 1 upon 3 plus 4 plus 4 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3i plus 1 upon 3i minus I, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And rest of you, Alvia, Mazia, Akash,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. So add this. This is 1 upon 3, 4 upon 3 is 5 upon 3 and plus 4. So 12 plus 5, 17 upon 3. Doubts?
No, sir.
No. And this is 8 upon 3 and minus 1. So 5 upon 3. Any doubts?
I did not add 4. I missed out 4. 5 by 3
Sorry.
plus 4 I did not add, sir. So I got 5 by 3 the same one.
Oh, you subtracted. All right. All right.
I did not add 4 to the 5 by 3 thing. I just added 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. The 4 I missed out.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't leave a 4 out, right?
Yes, sir.
You cannot just omit numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Note it down, please. Clear?
Done.
Okay. Now a bit different type of questions. 1 upon 3 plus 3i. This is 3. 1 upon 3 plus 3i whole cube. A plus ib form. Right. You all know a plus b whole cube. Peer, what is the formula of a plus b whole cube?
Yes, sir.
A plus b whole cube formula.
Oh,
Oh, you muted yourself. You don't know the formula, right?
no, sir.
Tell me, what is the formula? Okay, let's try Atisha. What is the formula? Atisha, what is the formula? A plus b whole cube.
Sir, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
All right. Did you just look out that in Google?
Yes, sir. I did not know.
You cannot do that. All right. You cannot use Google while having a class on Zoom. All right. This is online lectures. Don't do this. Okay. Alvia, what is the formula? Okay, Alvia said. Mazia,
A square plus B square plus C square.
a cube, a plus b whole cube formula.
A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus A square B.
No. Where are you getting C from? There is no C in the question, right? Yeah. Alvia is just not answering. Says like thinking why, right? Okay. Write it down. A plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. There is another formula for this. A cube plus b cube. Atisha, Google told you another formula of this?
Actually, I didn't get the time to see the second formula.
Okay, you didn't get the time. All right. Write it down. All right. And in minus a minus b whole cube, it is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Or another formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b.
Actually, we didn't study this formula in grade 10, so didn't remember. Just grade 9, we had studied this last.
Yeah. So childhood things, right? Very gone with the past days. Who remembers, right? We all remember the cricket playing memories, right? Do you guys play cricket, Atisha?
Yes, sir, plus.
No, sir.
Yeah,
Football, sir.
no. Football, yeah. If I ask you in class 5th, how were you playing football? You will just tell me stories about this and this, but formulas,
Yes, sir. Bit hard.
bit hard, right? Yeah, very hard. With 3 lines, who can remember, right? Do you use Google while your exams also?
Also,
No. Should I trust you?
No, sir.
Right. Okay. Please write down the formulas. Please study, right? You want to be something, right? Something like engineer, doctor, or what? What do you want to be? Like what stream?
Sir, an accountant.
Accountant. You want to be an accountant? You are like cheating on maths, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
It's
Great.
just too many numbers to remember.
Okay, but you cannot remember 3 lines, 3 formulas. Okay, Atisha, what about you? What do you want to be?
no, no plans, sir.
No plans. Okay. What about rest of you guys? Alvia, Mazia, Akash? What do you want to be?
Pediatrician.
Sorry?
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay. You don't think maths are necessary for doctors, right?
It
Maths
is.
is necessary. It is, right? It is. You need to learn stats, right? If you want to be a good doctor. Otherwise, you just pass and cheat and everything in exams. All right. And Akash, what about you?
So architect, interior designs.
Architect. Okay. So please focus on maths, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. These formulas are like, how are you going to design things? Who is left? Khalid is not speaking a word here. Khalid is like, and Alvia. Alvia didn't say. Alvia doesn't want to say. All right. So these formulas wrote down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now apply this formula here. Try to use this formula, second formula, all right? This one. And please tell me the answers. I'll give you 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. How many of you solved this? Dr. Mazia solved? No. Okay. No. Okay. And architects?
No, sir.
No. Okay. The only person who solved this, two people solved. No, no, only one person solved it. And he has no plans. Okay. Yet he solved this. Let's see. P, what about you?
Sir, solving, sir.
Solving, all right. I'll give you 2 moments. Just choose this formula, right? Here, the value of A is 1 upon 3,
Yes, sir.
B is 3i. Use this formula. This one. Here. Put it in a box. Put A equals to 1 upon 3, B equals to 3i. All right. All right. Let's see. Using the formula A cube plus B cube plus 3ab into A plus B. Here the value of A is 1 upon 3 whole cube, B is 3i whole cube plus 3 into 1 upon 3 into 3i into A plus B, 1 upon 3 into plus 3i, right? So this 3 and 3 is cancelled. 1 upon 3 cube is 1 upon 27. This is 27i cube plus 3i. You can multiply this. This is 10i upon 3. Here 1 upon 27. Here this is cube. Nobody is even correcting me.
Sir, 27 I cube, it will be minus I. So we can just write minus 27 I, right?
Yeah, I will write, but let's take slowly, step by step. I square, 10 I square, right? Yeah, till now it's clear. So 27, yeah, I cube is minus I, so this is minus 27i. I square is minus 1, so this is minus 10. Here 1 upon 27 minus 10 is 270, 269 minus, right? This is your answer.
Sir, I got minus 242 by 27 minus 26. I use the first formula, sir. I cannot use the second formula.
No, please check your calculations. All right, I think I did all the calculation right.
Can you do it using the first formula also? Just translate my answer.
Oh, you want me to put this in other formula? Same thing. Please, I'm very lazy teacher. All right, please try to use. Okay, use this. Okay, let me solve this in the other formula. Let's see. A cube is 1 upon 3. 3a square is 1 upon 3 square into b is 3i plus 3a 1 upon 3 b square is 3i square plus b cube, 3i whole cube, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 upon 27 plus, see, this is 1 upon 9. So 3 into 3, 9 cancelled out. So you have I, right? So here 3 and 3 cancel. 3 square is 9. I square is minus 9. We'll have plus 27 I cube, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 upon 27 plus I minus 9. And
Minus
this is minus 27I. Okay.
we get minus 26i, sir.
How is it?
Minus 27i plus I. So it will be minus 26i.
No. This cannot happen. All right. Let me check. 3a square b 9. This is I plus 3ab square. 3ab square is 9i square. So I square is minus 9. All right. Plus b cube. And did I do that wrong? B cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? Okay. This is this. This is this. To a plus b 3i 10i.
How can you add, sir, 1 by 3 plus 3i? You cannot add because they're different terms. You added 1 plus 3, 1 by 3 plus 3i. You cannot add it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I added this.
Yeah.
Right. How? Where is the eraser in this app? Yeah. Absolutely right. This I cannot add. What am I doing here? All right. This I cannot add. 1 plus this is 9i. Sorry. Okay. This step is all wrong. Don't copy this. Let me erase this. Okay. My bad. Thank God I'm not a doctor. Okay, like Mazia. Otherwise, I would have been a bad one. Okay, this is 1 upon 27 plus 27 minus 27i plus I minus 9 upon 3, right? Yeah, now we are right. Yeah. But we have a 3 also. 3i, 3i, and I can just
So why you wrote
multiply
again
this
3
one.
down? You need to write 3 down again, right?
Yeah, I have a 3 also. So I plus this. Yeah. So 1 upon 27 minus 27i. I can divide this. So this is I and minus 9. This. Yes. So 1 upon 27 minus 9 minus 26i. This is what you're getting, Atisha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can add and solve. Right.
Sir, what you did here, sir? 3i into 1 plus 9i by 3. So how you got plus 3i minus 9 into 3 by 3?
I square, because this is I square, right? 3i and 9i. So 3 into 9 is this, and I square is minus.
Ah, okay.
Clear? If you guys copied that previous wrong one, please erase that. Do the right one, all right?
And I got
The
the
calculation mistake there.
minus 242 by 26.
Yes. Absolutely right. You are right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He is not answering. Alvia, Mazia,
Clear, sir.
okay. Alvia finally said, and she was not answering that time. Alvia, what do you want to be in future?
Psychologist.
Psychologist. Interesting. Very interesting. Nice. Some different answer. You want to be a great psychologist, psychiatrist. You need to be a doctor, right? You can be from other method also. Okay.
Yeah, for clinical psychologist, I have to become a doctor.
Right. Okay. I wish you all the best. Please be a great one. All right. The world needs some of you, a lot of you.
Sir. Thank you.
Okay. Noted down. Yeah. Noted down. Everyone. Akash, noted down.
So 1 second, sir.
All right.
So what is the answer? The final answer?
Final answer is what Atisha got, minus 242 upon 27. We multiply this. 27 into 9 is, add 1 upon 27 minus 9 minus 26. Right? Let's add this. 27 into 9
243, sir.
and minus 1 is 242. So minus 242 on 27 minus 2. This is your answer. All right.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next question. Five minus 3i whole cube. All right. A plus ib form. Okay.
Sir, 27
Sorry.
27 into 9 is
See, this is
243, I guess.
yeah, but this one is also cancelled, right? If you take LCM 27, you will have 1 minus 243. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Please try this question. Using which formula? I told you the formula here. Somewhere here. This one. Okay. I hope everyone noted down the formula. And all the year, I will not be telling this formula again. So please like use the sticker note or anything like that to remember this formula.
Yes, sir.
Or like Atisha, you can use Google, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, no. All right. Please remember the formula. Okay, solved. Atisha has answered. Peer, Alvia, Mazia. Solved.
No, sir.
Okay, 2-3 minutes more. After that, I'll solve. Okay. Atisha, why is your answer fluctuating?
No, sir, actually, I just crossed it now. So I got my calculation mistake. So again, I just changed the answer for B, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, who didn't solve it, please see here. What formula are you going to use? A cube minus B cube minus 3AB to A minus B, right? So the value of A is 5 whole cube minus 3I whole cube, 3 into 5 into, don't use B as minus 3I, already we already used that, so 3I only. So 5 minus 3I. Here the 5 cube is 125 and here 27I cube. This is 15 and 3 is 70 and 45 I into 5 minus 3I, right? Till this step, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is 125 minus 27 or plus 27I minus 5 into 245 is 225I plus 125I square. 125, right? 135, sorry. 135I square. All right.
Yes, sir.
Here. Okay. So we have 125. Okay. So 125, 27I minus 225I minus 135. So we have minus 10, and this is, please calculate this. If you can minus 30, then we'll have 95 and minus 98. Okay, this is your answer, I guess. Please check.
Again, calculation options. 3I cube I did not do. I just wrote 9I cube. I had to write 27I cube. So there I did mistake. Mistake got wrong.
Okay, see, the only teachers can do calculation mistakes, right? Because we give away the marks.
No.
Students cannot, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, Atisha, have some plans about life, right? Then you will see you will not do silly errors like that. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Where is Akash?
Yes, sir.
Akash, right?
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking a little bit.
Okay. Am I audible now? All right. Note this down. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note this down. All right. And after that, solve this question, last question of today's class.
Sir, I did it in the second formula, the other one. Can you explain that also? Because I think I did
Okay, you
something
want me
wrong.
to explain that for? Okay, see. We have a minus b whole cube, a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square minus this formula you used, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So we have a cube as 5 cube minus 3 into 5 square into b is 5. What was the value of b here? What was the question? 3i. Okay. Atisha, can you mute yourself? Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. So this is 3 into a is 5 into 3i square minus b cube is 3i whole cube. Akash, you did this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is 125 minus this is 25 into 3 into 3. Okay, very, very long. So 225i plus 9 into 45 into 3 is 135 I square minus 27 I cube. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again we have this is minus 135 and minus 135 plus 125 is minus 10. And again this is I cube is minus I. So this is 225I plus 27I. So we'll have minus 10 minus 198I. Clear?
Okay, sir. I just did some multiplication wrong somewhere.
Yeah. Please don't do that. All right.
Yes, sir.
Last question. Please solve this. A plus IB form. All right, last question. Quickly. This is multiplication, all right?
So I square is minus I, right?
I square is minus 1. I square is minus 1. I cube is minus I. I raised to the 4 is 1.
Okay.
And I is I. Yeah. All right. So how to solve this? This is root minus root 3i is just write root 3i. This is root 2i. If you do this, you will be able to solve. Okay, Alvia has answered 2 root 3 minus I. use distributive property. Peer, what is distributive property? Whenever I ask any questions to Peer, he just mutes himself and it remains silent.
Yes, sir.
What is distributive property? This is A plus B
Yes,
and
sir.
C.
Sir, like root 3 I into 2 root 3 and then
Minus
the
I.
minus
Yeah.
I also like that.
Absolutely right. This. So again, we can
Yes, sir.
open the brackets. So this will be root 3 into 2 root 3. So 2 into 3i minus root 3i square plus 2 root 6i minus root 2i square. So we have 6i plus root 3 plus 2 root 6i plus root 2, right? So we have root 2 plus root 3 plus 6i plus 2 root 6i. So root 2 plus root 3 plus 6 plus 2 root 6 into I. Clear?
Sir, why did you write root minus 3 is root 3i or 3i?
See, this is